Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be working in my Hobonichi cousin, and I'm going to be doing the week of May 2nd and May 8th. And I thought it'd be nice to use my Happy Planner sticker book, the spring one, because I feel like we're kind of getting into more summer now, and yeah, just try to use up some more of the fun stickers. So I'm going to look for, instead of using washi tape, something for down here. So maybe those. I was going to see if there's anything else in here that would work. I kind of did multicolors last week, so we could do purple. Ooh, those are cute. Okay, there's lots of options. So we could either have purple and do a purple spread, which I love purple, or we could do the multicolored hearts. I think I'm going to go with purple because I love purple. So I'm just going to start by putting this around the 2200 hour on the planner. I love the time and such, but I don't need it this late in the day. So I generally cut it off and make it so I can track things down there for my businesses that I need to, or for my personal planner I use it as a weather tracker mainly. So yeah, okay. So I got some purple. Let's see what else we can find in purple. I like to find a sticker for here. It's okay. It's just not my favorite. That really matches, but I don't know that I need to do it that way. I think we're gonna pull this for just in a little bit, because we'll need it while I'm right here. Let's see what else we can find. There may not be a lot of purple. I may have to dig it deeper into some other books. Okay, well, it was a good thought. Let's see if we can find maybe in this mini. Not really. I'm starting to finally get through these books, and you can start to tell because you can't find as much stuff as you were maybe looking for originally, which is fun because that means you're using them, but it's also sort of sad because finding what you need isn't always easy. Okay, there's some purple in here. These are cute. Being an adult is the dumbest thing I've ever done. I don't know about that, but sometimes it feels that way. Alright, I'm looking for something ideally solid and colored. Yeah, come on. Not finding what I want. Okay, let's see. The other one that might have an option is this multi-pack. Sometimes has quotes in it that are good. Man, I didn't think this would be this hard. Okay. Striking out. Let's see the year to shine. We could do that. Alright, I guess I'm going to start with this one. I like it. It's got a lot of colors in it, is my only thing. But we're gonna go with it and just kind of, I don't know, see what happens, I guess. Okay, so I had seen these purple flowers. They're not 100% the same purple. but I thought maybe I could throw one of them over the weekend here just to add a pop of color. And then I liked some of these quotes that I saw in here, so maybe this was the right one. Maybe it was this one. Somewhere I saw like some little things I liked. Oh, and I have meant to do, I could stick that here, because that goes there. A lot of times I do boxes here at the top, but I am not this week, I decided. So I'm going to use this sticker, but I'm going to cut it because I only need a small amount of it. I only need this much. So I'll stick that over there in case I want to use the rest of it for something else. Cover that. Let's see if there's anything else we can make. I'd like it to be maybe slightly more decorated, but this may be it. I guess maybe I should have planned more. But that's the fun of like rolling with the punches too, I think. Sometimes it turns out different than you envisioned it, and sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad. I found these little hearts and I thought I'd add them at the top because they'll just bring a pop of color to up here. One more for my minty color, and we're gonna call that good. So this will be, I'll use this for posting my videos and my social media stuff and products, and then this will be for more of a tracker. So thanks for joining me, you guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red subscribe button so I can see you again here next time. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good day.